Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Brandyn in Missouri. It's Galaxy DX47 HP. Brandyn got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment, amp on off switch right there on the back for you, as well as the conversion and wideband receipt mod. 100-watt slug. Looking at 2 watts all the way down in case you decide to run like a 4-pill or 6. 30 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Low 62 bird, 250-watt slug and peak. Hello. 145 watts PEP. All right, Brandyn, we're gonna get it out to you, bud. Hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump.